Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one is polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats, pull down rear seats. One does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Dark linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 35,106 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.